Okay, hello everybody. I'm going to teach you today how to solve for the shaded area here, and we're going to start right now. So what's going on? My name is Mohammed. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to know more about how to solve brain teasers, riddles, logic puzzles, viral math problems, and all type of mathematics related stuff, then start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. Okay, so the problem is that we have these two circles here that are tangent to each other. You draw a diameter of the outer circle and you note here that the distance here, the difference in the diameters is 18. And you draw another diameter and you notice that these distances here are 10 and 10. So the question is, what is this shaded area? Okay, so I'll give you some time to think about it. So what you do, pause this video, give this problem a try, and when you're ready, keep watching this video for a solution. Okay, now so to solve this question, I will start by calling this distance here, okay, which is the radius of the inner circle, r. So I will call this r. If this is r, that means that the diameter of the inner circle is going to be double that, so it's going to be twice r. So this distance here is going to be equal twice r. Okay, and the diameter of the outer circle is going to be equal to this distance here, which is 2r plus 18. So that makes the diameter of the outer circle 2r plus 18. Okay. So if the diameter of the outer circle is 2r plus 18, that makes its radius is going to be equal to half that. So it's going to be equal to r plus 9. So that makes the radius of the outer circle r plus 9. Okay, so if this distance here, which is the radius of the inner circle r, and this distance is r plus 9, so the difference in the radii, okay, which is this distance, going to be equal to 9. Okay, so this distance here is going to be equal to 9. Okay, so now to solve for this problem, I will go down here and I will connect these 2 points here, which this length here is equal to the radius of the inner circle, so that's going to be equal to r as well. This difference in the radii between the outer circle and the inner circle, we said that it's going to be equal, it's 9 already, and we connect these 2 points here, and that forms a right triangle. Okay, now the radius of the outer circle is r plus 9, and this length here is going to be equal to r plus 9 minus 10. So this whole thing is going to be equal to r plus 9 minus 10, and that's going to be equal to r minus 1. Okay, so that forms a right triangle where the hypotenuse is equal to r. This length here is equal to 9, and this length here is equal to r plus 9. So that forms, if we apply the Pythagoras Theorem here, that will give us an equation in r, and we can straightforward solve for r. Okay, so we'll do that. And let me switch to the black color. Okay, so r squared is going to be equal to 9 squared plus r minus 1 squared. Okay, so r squared is going to be equal to 81 plus r squared minus twice r plus 1. R squared is going to be cancelled with r squared, so we're going to be left out with 2r equals to 81 plus 1, that's 82, and then we can solve for r. R is equal to 82 by 2, that's gonna give us 41. So this is the radius of the inner circle. Okay, now if we want to solve for the shaded area here, okay, the shaded area is nothing but the difference between the area of the outer circle and the area of the inner circle. Okay, so we'll calculate the difference. So the area of, and let's call it A, which is the shaded area here, is going to be equal to pi, the area of the outer circle, which is r plus 9 squared minus pi r squared. And that's going to give us pi, r is 41 plus 9, that's 50 squared. If we take pi as a common factor, that's going to give us r squared here is 41 squared. If we calculate that, that's going to give us 819 pi squared units. And that's the solution. Well, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please remember to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss anything in the future. If you have another way to solve this, leave it down here in the comments below to help other people that might watch this video. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.